On December 19, 2020, at around 2:30 in the morning, Officer Andrew Hall of the Orlando Police Department, in response to a colleague's request, responds to a call regarding a possible intoxicated driver. After observing a dark-colored vehicle traveling northbound on North Orange Avenue, a one-way street in the opposite direction, Officer Funchess instructs the driver to pull over for a check.
Do you have your registration, ma'am?
Sorry?
You never showed me your registration. Do you have it? Alright. Like I said, man, just sit tight for me here, and then I'll be right back, okay?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm Officer Hall with the Orlando Police Department, okay?
Okay.
So what I'm here to do is, one of these officers stopped you for driving the wrong way on the roadway, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm here to do is I'm here to ask you, they're worried if you're impaired, okay? So what I'm here to do is to ask, I kind of specialize in DUIs. Okay. So what I'm requesting is that you step out of the vehicle, we'll do some exercises, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay, do you have a jacket or anything you want to put on? It's a little cold.
I don't, but...
Will you be okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. All right. If you could just leave your phone inside, okay?
During HGN horizontal gaze nystagmus, she had a lack of smooth pursuit, distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to a 45-degree angle in both eyes. She also had a distinct orbital sway.
Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
Nope.
Do you wear glasses?
Yeah?
For what?
Sight?
No, like close, far.
Like computer.
Okay, so up close.
Yeah.
Like readers, cheaters,
Yes.
pretty much.
Yes.
Any contacts?
No.
Do you have contacts in right now?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check your eyes, okay? Remember to stay in this position. Hands down at your sides. Stay in that position, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to check your eyes. Keep your head still and follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do you understand? Can you see the tip of my pen?
A little.
All right. This right here. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Follow the tip.
I don't know. I don't want to say yes because I know that
Do you see it? That's a legitimate question. Okay. So what I need you to do is I need you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? You can see the tip of my finger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't lead it. Keep your
Eyes only?
Yeah. No, yes, but don't lead my pen. You led my pen, okay? When it was here, you were looking over here. So don't lead it, okay? Just keep following the tip of my finger, okay? Right here. Don't move your head. Remember, move only your eyes. Keep your hands down at your side. Okay.
The second exercise is the walk and turn test, which the girl struggles to understand and perform due to her state of confusion.
Do you see this line?
Yep.
Would you say it's straight?
Yeah.
Is there anything in the line that's going to mess you up, knock you over, trip you up?
I wouldn't think so. Other than cold.
Other than you being cold?
Yeah.
But what I'm asking is, you don't see any sticks,
No.
Any branches? Any pipes? Any
No.
poles? Okay. You have anything wrong with your feet? No injuries to your feet? Okay. No injuries to your knees?
No.
Any injuries to your ankles?
No.
Okay. So what I want you to do is take your left foot, put it on that line. Take your right foot, put it right in front of there, touching heel to toe. Heel to toe. Nope, nope. Left foot on the line. Put that left foot on the line. Ma'am, you gotta listen to my instructions, okay? Put your left foot on the line. Your left foot. There we go. Take your right foot and put it in front of your left, touching heel to toe. Awesome. Keep your hands down. Ma'am, go back to that position. Keep your hands down at your sides, touching heel to toe. There we go. Keep your hands down at your sides. Do not move until I tell you to move. Go back into that position. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes.
Okay. Do not move until I tell you to move, okay? Do you understand? Do not start until I tell you to begin the exercise. Do you understand? Do you understand though so far? Okay. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, and turn around, keeping 1 foot on the line, and return 9 heel to toe steps. It's gonna look like this, okay? You can watch my feet. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and so forth until you get to 9. When you get to 9, you're gonna leave that front foot on that line, and you're gonna take short, choppy steps turning around. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna continue down the line, touching heel to toe, counting aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth until you get to 9. Do you understand? Okay. Remember to stay in that position. Touching heel to toe right now.
1.
I didn't tell you to begin yet. Go back into that starting position, please. Keeping your hands down at your sides. All right. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. I'm sorry, when did I turn around?
Just as I instructed.
Okay.
Everybody 772, can you hear? Yeah, 93. 54.
Did you understand the instructions?
I'm just walking.
Okay.
After incorrectly completing the test, the girl must repeat it. However, even in this case, she struggles to understand and carry out the exercise assigned by the officer.
Okay, come back. I'll explain it to you again, okay?
Still show 163.10.8, same movement.
Go ahead and put your left foot on the line. Put your and put your right foot right in front of that left foot. Put your right foot in front of the left foot. There we go. Touching heel to toe. Keeping your hands down at your sides, okay? When I tell you to begin, look at me. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud. Okay, 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. When you get to 9, you're gonna leave your front foot on the line and you're gonna turn around. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna go back down the line, counting 9 heel to toe steps. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to like.
No,
I'm just, like, really
listen.
trying to like do what you want me to.
No, I understand, and that's why I want to make sure you understand the exercise. Do you understand it?
So like 9 and then 9.
9 turning around, and then 9 back. Do you understand?
Yes.
Remember to keep your hands down at your side, count aloud, and touch heel to toe.
So 1,
You may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123,
Just as I instructed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, you can relax.
Okay.
At this point, the next test the officer instructs to perform is the one-leg stand.
All right. Okay, so for this exercise, I need you to put your feet together like that, just exactly how you have them. Hands down at your sides. Okay, do not move until I tell you to move. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Keep your hands down at your sides. Thank you. When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg.
Which leg?
Your choice, okay? Either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot pointed out, and keep both legs straight. Don't begin until I tell you to begin, okay? Keep your eyes on the elevated foot. While holding that position, I want you to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until told to stop. It's going to look like this. You can watch my feet. You pick the leg up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Don't begin until I tell you to begin. You're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Hold on. No hopping, no swaying. Remember to keep your hands down at your side. If you put your foot down, I want you to put your foot back up and count where you left off. Do you understand the instructions? Yes? Okay, 1 second. You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014.
Hands down at your sides, remember?
1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
You can relax.
The last exercise that the officer has the girl perform is the Romberg balance test.
Okay, so I want you to keep your feet together, hands down at your sides. When I ask you to, I'm gonna have you close your eyes, tilt your head all the way back, close your eyes, and I want you to estimate 30 seconds in your head, okay? Not out loud, just estimate 30 seconds in your head. Do you understand? Okay. So, do you know how long 30 seconds is?
I mean, yeah, but
Okay.
like, what do you want me to do, like, in those 30 seconds?
Just estimate 30 seconds.
Just sit here?
So, yeah, when I tell you to begin, you're going to close your eyes, tilt your head all the way back when I tell you to begin. And then you're going to estimate 30 seconds, okay? When you're done estimating 30 seconds, I want you to open your eyes, look at me, and say stop, okay? I'm not going to know to stop unless you look at me and tell me to stop. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So, put your hands down at your sides, close your eyes. Hands down at your sides.
Do I have to close my eyes?
Yes, that's part of the exercise. Tilt your head all the way back, all the way. Hands down at your sides, and begin. Tilt your head back. Head all the way back.
Bravo 3350. Quebec Alpha November, OBT and Winter Rose on a black Chevy Equinox.
Head all the way back, unless you want me to stop.
Bravo 30, copy vehicle failed to stop, simply driven by the black male. Last seen high rate of speed. It's gonna be eastbound on All American. Okay, so I don't know if you want to talk to Lola, get Bravo 30. Same ODT on Winter Rose, black Chevy Equinox, black male driver. Florida tag 256, Quebec Alpha November, 2:02 a.m. Asking you have a single fault, you shall have right to any response appropriate, 130 authority to
Relax.
At this point, highlighting evident confusion due to alcohol, the officer reads the Miranda warning, explaining that she is not able to continue driving that evening.
Did you get to 30?
More.
You got
Yeah,
to...
I
Well,
would
did
say-
you understand the exercise?
Yeah.
What did I tell you to do?
Count to 30.
Estimate 30 seconds, right? And then when you got to 30 seconds, what did I tell you to do?
Honestly, I wouldn't know. I just counted 30.
I gave you an instruction, correct? Didn't I ask you to open your eyes, tell me to stop? Right? Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Okay. So you remember me telling you that?
A little nervous. Yeah.
Okay, I understand, but you remember my instructions, correct? Okay. So obviously you can't go anywhere, right? The police stopped you, you got red and blue lights on, you know what I mean? So I want to ask you some questions, okay? So I have to read you something because I want to ask you questions. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You have a right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
Yep.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
No.
Okay.
The officer, after asking the girl some questions and noting an apparent state of intoxication, decides to place her under arrest.
All right. So at this point, I am placing you under arrest for DUI. Okay? Don't freak out. Okay. Don't want to come out of here. Cool. Out of here. Just relax. Just relax. Relax your hands, okay? All right, come with me. Come with me.
79 JB, going over Enor.
Ma'am, do you have
What?
anything on your person?
No.
Okay, I need you to at least be cordial with me because I've treated you with respect, correct?
I've treated you
Okay.
cordially as well.
So,
What do you mean?
I know, I'm just telling you, you're giving me a little bit of attitude, and I'm asking you this to benefit you. If you have any drugs on your person and you enter the jail, it will be a felony charge. Right now
I
you're
have
at a
nothing
misdemeanor.
on me.
Okay. Have a seat.
At the Orange County DUI Center, she refused to provide a breath sample. She was then transported to the Orange County Jail for further processing. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more content.